Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Patrick, and I'm calling from Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. Today, we have scheduled a webinar for Numpy. Now, Numpy, as we know, is a library for the Python programming language that adding support for large multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with large collection of high-level mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. Now, on behalf of this, we have a student, Ms. Anvesha Das, who has who has worked on the project of Numpy. She has been an excellent student in Indian cybersecurity solutions and would like to share her project view work on this webinar today that has been made for you. Many people have been asking on what NumPy is. Well, here in Indian cybersecurity solutions, we are here to explain to you what NumPy is all about. We all would like you to like our video. If you love the video, share it to the people and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the description down below so that you can get real notifications about a webinar soon. Okay, I hand over my platform to Miss Anvesha. Please, Anvesha.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Please speak.
Okay. Hello everyone. My topic is NumPy. NumPy is library for Python programming language. Okay. I am going to next slide. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is used in so many areas: web development, software development, mathematics, data science, system scripting, and all other areas. Why Python? Python works on different platforms. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Many people are saying that Python just like an English language. Okay. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. And Python has very lesser line than other programming language. This is the advantage of Python. Next, I am going to show. Next slide. Python libraries. There are so many libraries. The top 10 Python libraries are TensorFlow, Keras, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, SciPy, Pandas, and my topic is NumPy, and I am going to concentrate on NumPy. What is NumPy? Now, num means numerical and Py means Python. NumPy stands for numerical Python. NumPy is scientific computing library for Python, and it supports large number of data in the form of multi-dimensional array and matrix. Okay. It is used in so many areas. Physicists, mathematicians uses NumPy for their work in linear algebra, Fourier transformation. Okay. Next slide. I am going to next slide. Why we use NumPy? In Python, we have list that serve the purpose of array. In spite of this, we uses NumPy. What is the reason behind it? Now, first of all, NumPy aims to provide an array object that is up to 50x faster than traditional Python list. Okay. What is array? Now, simply, we can store similar type of data in array. Array are very frequently used in data science, where speed and resource are very important. That's why we use NumPy in data science field. How to install NumPy? Now we can install NumPy using pip install NumPy command. By default, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, Google Colab online platform has already installed now. How to check version of NumPy? I'm doing this practically. Just 1 second. It is my Google Colab. Sorry, it is my Jupyter Notebook. Just a second. Stay with me. Just a second. Just a second. That's. I'm running this command and the output will be 1.19.2. My version is 1.19.2. Okay. Next, advantage of using NumPy over Python list. It consumes less memory and it is fast as compared to Python list and convenient to use. What is list? List items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate value also. This is a list. I am assigning this value A, B, C, M, P, P. List allows also changeable element. So I am appending Q and the Q is added this list. Okay. We can also remove P. I am removing P and there is one P. Okay. And is allows duplicate value also. P and P 2 times. Next, I am going to next slide. Memory consumption between NumPy array and list. It is a simple program. My another ideal is Google Colab. I am writing this code and I am running. Size of NumPy array 64 and size of list 280. That means it proves that NumPy takes small amount of memory. Next. Time comparison between NumPy array and Python list. If I only show slide, all people are getting bored. So that's why I am doing practical simultaneously. See, time for Python list microsecond 23 point something and NumPy array microsecond 2.18. Okay. NumPy is 50x faster than Python list. Okay. My slide. How to create 1D array? What is procedure to creating 1D array? Just a second. This is 1D array. and print this array 1D, the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also check the data type of 1D array. What is procedure? Simply, we can write here type and the output will be numpy.nd array. This is one dimensional array and the output will be 1. Okay. Ndim command. Using ndim command, I am checking the dimension of numpy. Next, we can also check the size of numpy. There is 4 elements. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the output will be 4 in this case. That is 4. Because 4 element. There is 4 element. How to check data type? We can also check data type of this array. What is procedure? dtype. Using dtype command. The data type int 32. It will be differ. There is int 64 and there is int 32. Actually, Google Colab and Jupyter, some difference between these. We can also create 0-dimensional array using NumPy. How? What is the procedure? I am checking the dimension of this. This is 0. I am creating 0-dimensional. Next, how to create 2D array. What is procedure behind it? I am also creating 2D array. This is 2D array. 2D array means matrix. Sorry. This is 3D array, not 2D array. This is 2D array. And we can check also the dimension in this case. The dimension is 2. And also check the size. The size is 8 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The output will be 8. We can check shape also. What is the procedure? Just I am writing shape and there is 2 cross 4 matrix, 2 row and 4 column. That's why 2 cross 4. We can check also data type of this array. Int 32, the data type. Next. We can also create 3D array. Using NumPy, we can create multi-dimensional array. Next. Create matrix using NumPy. We can create matrix using NumPy. I'm creating matrix whose all element is 1. What is procedure? Just in this case, I have written once, and using once function, the all element is 1 in this case, all element. Same things, we can create matrices whose all element is 0. What is procedure? Now, sorry, there is one error. Just a minute. Just a minute. Sorry. Fine. I am creating zeros matrix. Their all element is 0. There is 4 cross 6 matrix, 4 row and 6 column. All element are 0. This is floating data type. We can convert it into integer also. In this case, there is no point, no floating. Just I'm writing int and all one element is integer. Next, I'm going to next slide. NumPy function. There are so many functions in NumPy. First, arrange function. What is arrange function? Now we can create 1D array easily using arrange function. In this case, my program is write a program, the even number between 1 to 30. This procedure. Now simply I am writing arrange. Just a minute, I am doing practical. The output will be the value shows between 1 to 30, the even number. Using arrange function, we can create easily. There is another function, line space function. What is line space function? Now, return evenly spaced number over a specified interval. What is procedure? The number between 1 to 6 and separated by 4 parts. That's why 4. Reshape function. What is reshape function? Now we can convert easily 1D array to multi-dimensional array using reshape function. What is here? This is one-dimensional array. The output will be 1 to 13, and using reset command, the out will be in 2D array. Okay. There is 2 row and 6 columns. Next, another beautiful function, ravel function. This is just opposite of reshape function. We can change 2D array to 1D array using ravel function. This is 2D array, and using ravel function, the array from into 1D array. Okay. Next, mathematical operation using Numpy. We can do various type of mathematical operation using Numpy. Matrix, addition, multiplication, subtraction, so many things. Now I am considering about only addition and subtraction. Okay, just a minute. It's my program. This is 3 cross 3 matrix, and the value is between 1 to 10. I am adding this 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6. After adding, the output will be this. In our early studies, we could do it in a complex way, but now I'm writing just 2 lines of code, and the output will be so. Fine. Next, just you can subtract also using subtract command. 1, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0 because all are element in 0. 3 cross 3 matrix. Next, Numpy trigonometric function. In our early study, we could remember value of sine 30, cos 30, tan 60 from our mind. But just now I am just writing simple code, and output will be so. Just a second. Yeah, I'm writing code. I have written actually all these things because writing of code is very time taking. So I have written all these things. The value of sine 90 degrees 0.899. Similarly, we can do this work in cosine function and tangent function also. Next, graphical representation of sine function. In Python, another most popular library is matplotlib. Matplotlib is used for data visualization purpose. Okay. Using matplotlib, I am doing this. This is graphical representation of sine function. Next, graphical representation of tangent function. This is the graphical representation of tangent function. and another one cosine function. This is the graphical representation of cosine. We can do these things using another popular library of Python is matplotlib. Next, Python NumPy array concatenation. We can concatenate array using NumPy. What is the procedure? Now, first of all, this is array 1. The value of array 1 is 1 2 is between 1 to 17. It is 4 cross 4 matrix. And this is another matrix, array 2. 4 cross 4 matrix is also, and the value is between 70 to 33. I concatenate this, okay. This is 1 to 16. Here 1 to 16, and here 17 to 32. Concatenate a sequence of array along an existing axis. Okay. We can concatenate also vertically and horizontally. Next slide. In this case, using vstack command, we can concatenate vertically, and using hstack command, we can concatenate horizontally. Let us do. This is vertically concatenation. Output will be vertical concatenation. And this is horizontal concatenation. We can concatenate multiple array also. What is the procedure behind it? Just in this case, we can add array 1 at a time, and 1 2 3 4 17 18 19 20, and again 1 2 3 4. We can concatenate multiple array also using this command. Next, NumPy string operation. Sorry. NumPy splitting function. We can split array using NumPy. Just a second. In this case, just a second. In this case, I'm splitting this array, and the output will be divided into part. We can split column-wise also. Column-wise, we can split 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, 10, 13, 14, and another one is 3, 4, 7, 8, 15, 16. Okay. Next, we can split this one DI also. What is procedure? Just a second. Just stay with me. We can split this one DI. I want to split this in three parts. So what is procedure? Now first of all, this is 0 index, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4 index. We can split these three parts. This is 1 index. I find the value before 1 index, that is 4, and 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 index. And before the 3 index, this is 7, 1. That's why this is 7, 1. And the rest amount is 3. Is this clear or not? Okay. This is 1 index, and the before 1 index is 4. That's why it is 4. Before 3 index is 7, 1. That's why is 7, 1. And the rest amount is 3, 9. Okay. That's why it is 3, 9. We can split in this way one-dimensional array also. Next, Python NumPy random module. This is very interesting function. And in case of password generator or random storytelling project, we use Python random module. The NumPy random module is module help to generate random number. What is procedure? I'm doing is it in practically. So, first time I'm running and getting output 0.47. And after running, I'm getting this 0.015. After running, I'm getting. So we can get different value at a time. Okay. Using random function, we can create 2D array also. What is procedure? Just a minute. This is 3 cross 3 matrix. And the output will be different every time. Okay. I'm running once again and the output will be different. Next, randint function. What is randint function? Using this function, we can get integer type of value, but randomly. Let's check it. The output will be 1, and I am running 1 second. 2. I'm running 1 second. Next, 3. It's not depend on me. It is not depends on me. It totally depends on system. Okay. Random number will be generated. Next, we can create also 3D matrix using random rand in function. What is procedure? This is 4 cross 4 matrix and separated by 2 parts, and all value are in between 1 to 4. Okay, and the value will be differ. First time this, and second time the output will be different. Okay. Next, sit random function. What is sit function? Now the random module generates random number, but we want to generate the same number, then sit function will help. Okay. Check it. Just a second. Output will be same in every case. Output will be same. What is sit10? Why? We use sit10 because the sit function accept value up to 2 to the power 32 minus 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why we use sit10. Okay. Next, random dot rand function. What is rand function? Now it just like a random function, but it accepts shape and return in the array with contain random values between 0 to 1. The output will be this, and the value is between 0 to 1. This is the function of rand, random.rand. Next, rand in function. The rand in function work like rand function, but it returns the sample of standard normal distribution value. Okay, let's check it. All time the value, the output will be same. And this is the form of standard normalized distribution. I'm going to next slide. Now I am discussing about choice permutation function. What is choice function? Now, if we have sequence value and we want to get single value, then choice is best option for us. Choice. Just sorry. One. First time I am getting one. Second time also one. Third time 4. I am getting 4. This is not depends on me. This is totally depends on my system. Next, we can create these things using loop function also. I am creating this using for loop. What is procedure? The output will be 22111. I am considering here 5. That's why it is 5 times. I am considering 20. The output will be 20 times. Okay. And it will be differ. First time the output is this. Second time this. Output will be changes. Okay. Using choice function. Next, permutation function. Another very useful function is permutation function. If we want to generate some permutation of sequence, then use random permutation function. What is procedure? I'm showing. Just a minute. The output 4321. And I am running once again. The output will be 421. Okay. Different value. Next, string operation using numpy. This is very interesting operation of numpy. And first of all, character name, Indian Cyber Security Solution. I am student of Indian Cyber Security Solution. I am student of machine learning. Indian Cyber Security Solution provides machine learning course, Python, basic and advanced course, and so many courses. So, character name Indian Cyber Security Solution and string or learning Python. We can add two string. What is procedure? Indian Cyber Security Solution learning Python. There is no gap. I am adding to string. Okay. We can multiply also. The function helps duplicate string required number of times. Okay. In this case, I am considering 3. And the Indian cyber security solution 3 times. Indian cyber security solution, Indian cyber security solution, Indian cyber. The output will be 3 times in this case. Next, the capitalized function. The capitalized function convert given strings first character in capital. Character name Indian cyber security solution, all are in capital letter. But using of capitalized function only first character in capital. I am showing. This. Only first character is capital in this. Next, lower function. The lower function convert given string in lower case. What is procedure? This is character Indian cyber security solution. Indian cyber security solution, all are in capital. Using lower function, I am getting output. Just a second. Yes. I is in small. Okay. And all character are in small. Lower function convert given string in lower case. All are in small. In lower. Using lower function, we can get the output in small character. Next, center. This function set in the center of given string. What is procedure? This. Here, I am writing has, and I am writing 60. The output will be 70 times has. Okay. And the learning Python numpy is in center. Right? Next, I am going to next slide. Probably this is my, oh no, string operation. We can split string using splitting function. Using split function. What is procedure? Just a minute. Just here, Indian cyber security solution. Indian cyber security solution. It's split in 4 segmentation. Okay, and data type also. We can join also using join command. I'm doing this practically. This is string 4 DMY. This is string 5 DMY. STR4, STR5. And we can join first of all using colon and second of all slash command. The output will be date, month, year, date, month. We can join using join function. Help of this colon and slash. Replace. The replace function replace existing string by new given string. There is Indian cyber security solution. In place of cyber security solution, we can write CSS and the output will be Indian CSS. Okay. Next, the equal function. The equal function return true if string 4 or string 5 or string 4 and string 5 are in same. This is both string. Then the output will be string. I'm just running this program. String 4 is string and string 5 also string or character. That's why I am getting true. Otherwise, it is false. Okay. Now I am going to next slide. Python NumPy string information. The count function count string from an existing string and return number. Okay. Just in this case, just a second. Is it A in Indian cyber security solution, capital A is 1 time. The output will be character A present 1 in Indian cyber security solution. Okay. Next, we can find given string from an existing string and return index of first character of the string. I am doing this. Just here I am considering cyber. Here I am considering cyber. And the output will be array 7. Why? Now this is 0. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is gap. Gap also consider index. This is 6 and this is 7. In cyber, C, the first character is C and the index number is 7. That's why we get 7. Okay. Sorry. Printer. Next, alpha. What is alpha? Is alpha. Now, using each alpha command, there is all value are in string type. Sorry, alphabet. So the output will be true. Let us see. The output will be true. I am writing here 9 or 8. The output will be false. Why? Now, this is alphabet and this is integer type. But the definition of is alpha is the is alpha function return true if the string contains each and every character are alphabet. Otherwise, it is false. Next is decimal. Is decimal. Is this decimal? No. That's why the output will be false. Next is lower. Is lower function. True, because all are in lower. But I am writing capital H here. I am getting false. I am getting false. In this case, I am writing once again small h. The output will be true. Okay. Is lower function return true if string contains each and every character in lowercase. Okay. That's why the capital H, we are considering in this case capital H, that's why the output will be false. Next and last, a very popular function is each space. The each space function returns true if string contain black space. Otherwise, it's false. Okay. In this case, there is no black space. That's why the output will be false. And I'm creating that black space. Just a minute. The output will be true. Okay. The output will be true. There is no black space. The output will be false. Okay. Next. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, Indian Cyber Security Solution. I am in here.
Okay, Anvesha, your webinar was quite good, interesting.
Thank you, sir.
Well, there's a question from we have a viewer that to make the points clear. So we would like Gauri Shankar to ask the question a little more precise. As you, if any queries you have, Mr. Gauri Shankar, please do ask right now. We are waiting in a minute. Anvesha, your webinar was quite good, though it was very
Thank you.
detailed, really in-depth detail, which people have found it really interesting. Um it was a good project that you have worked on, and we hope to see you again on the upcoming webinars when we schedule it for you and present in a much detail and in a precise manner as what you have done this thing. We thank our viewers to that who have attended our webinar, and we hope to see you tomorrow again at 11 a.m. where we have scheduled another webinar for you for in terms of machine learning um, at 11 a.m. live on Facebook as well as on YouTube. So signing off from here. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Anvisha.
Thank you.